What's up, everybody? I know my hair's a mess. Just deal with it for this video. But today, I'm going to be showing you a really funny video called What My Dog Does When She Gets Her Favorite Spot to Be Pet on Her Body. Basil, just shut up, will you? Okay. Basil, come here, Basil. No, don't. Okay. Basil, what the crap? Alright. Basil, hey, stay, Dumbo. Stay. She's being petted, and look what she does. She'll just lift her foot up and just do that random stuff. A little bit of short video. Hope you enjoyed it though. Why do I make such random videos? Oh, dude, what the heck? Bumping into me on purpose, good girl. And if you want to see more random videos like this, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.